Hey guys, so today we are going to be talking about a new update that came into Prodigy, probably one of the worst updates ever in my opinion. So yeah, let's just get into the video. First we gotta find someone. I'm not gonna do it to a small person, I'm gonna do it to a bigger, like this guy, no. I'll be right back. Okay, so if I found someone like this, I could report them now. And I could say they have hacked pets, hacked items. I'm not gonna be snitch, so I'm not gonna tattle on them. But you could also do is annoying me, which I feel like is the bad one. Cause I could just start going over here and spamming, I could just start spamming this, and someone would think that it's annoying and report me. Hacked pets, someone could think that this, one of my pets is hacked. I will show you it. They could think this pet is hacked because of its name, heck, and it kind of sounds like a different meaning of a bad word, so someone might report me for that. They might not know how to get something, so then they say that I hacked to get the cloud, I hacked to get Luma, I hacked to get something. So yeah, basically this is going to hurt the game in a few ways. Well, actually I did hack for Luma, but yeah, I don't think anyone's gonna think that. But if they don't know how to get the Celestial Armor, they could report me for literally no reason. So yeah, this is a good update in some ways, but it's also a bad update in other ways. So yeah, I guess the Prodigy would go and investigate the account. Hopefully no one reports me, or they'll see that I have 99 cotton cubes, which I got from a glitch. But yeah, basically that's gonna end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.